Are you ready to unlock the secrets to feeling your best every day? Today, we're diving deep into the 6 essential nutrients your body needs to thrive. When it comes to maintaining your health and vitality, the 6 basic nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water, are your body's best allies. Each of these nutrients plays a unique and indispensable role, working together like the pieces of a well-oiled machine to keep you functioning at your best. Understanding how these nutrients affect your body can empower you to make informed decisions about your diet and overall health. Let's dive into the details of each nutrient and explore the vital functions they perform. First off, let's talk about carbohydrates, which often get a bad rap, especially in the age of low-carb diets, but they are the primary source of energy for your body. When you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into glucose, a simple sugar that enters your bloodstream and is used by your cells, tissues, and organs for energy. This energy is what powers everything from your morning jog to your brain's complex processes, such as solving puzzles or remembering where you left your keys. Carbohydrates come in 2 main forms: simple and complex. Simple carbs, found in foods like sugar and candy, provide quick bursts of energy but can lead to spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. On the other hand, complex carbs, like those found in whole grains, vegetables, and legumes, are digested more slowly, providing a steady stream of energy throughout the day. A diet rich in complex carbohydrates can help you maintain consistent energy levels and support brain function, making them an essential part of a balanced diet. Next up, proteins are often referred to as the building blocks of life, and for a good reason. Every cell in your body contains protein, making it essential for the growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues. Proteins are made up of smaller units called amino acids, some of which your body can produce on its own, while others must be obtained through your diet. These are known as essential amino acids. Proteins play a crucial role in building and repairing muscles, which is why they're particularly important for anyone involved in physical activity or recovering from an injury. But their functions don't stop there. Proteins are also involved in the production of enzymes that drive the chemical reactions in your body, hormones that regulate bodily functions, and antibodies that support your immune system. Imagine your body as a house. Proteins are the bricks, mortar, and even the construction crew that keeps everything in shape. Without enough protein, you might experience muscle wasting, a weakened immune system, or delayed recovery from illness or injury. Incorporating a variety of protein sources like lean meats, eggs, dairy products, beans, and nuts into your diet ensures you get all the essential amino acids your body needs. What's more, fats have long been misunderstood and often vilified in the world of diet and nutrition. However, fats are not only beneficial, but also essential to your health. They provide a concentrated source of energy, more than double that of carbohydrates and proteins, and are necessary for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Fats are also crucial for building cell membranes, producing hormones, and protecting vital organs. There are different types of fats, and not all of them are created equal. Unsaturated fats, found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, are considered good fats. They support heart health, reduce inflammation, and can even improve your cholesterol levels. Omega-3 fatty acids, a type of unsaturated fat found in fatty fish like salmon and flax seeds, are particularly beneficial for brain health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. On the other hand, saturated fats, found in red meat and dairy products, and trans fats, often found in processed foods, should be consumed in moderation. High intake of these bad fats can increase your risk of heart disease and other health issues. Therefore, it's important to focus on the quality of fats in your diet, opting for healthier sources that provide the essential fatty acids your body needs. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. What's more, vitamins might be needed in smaller amounts compared to other nutrients, but their impact on your health is anything but small. These organic compounds are essential for a wide range of bodily functions, including energy production, immune defense, and cell growth and repair. Each vitamin has its own specific role in keeping you healthy. For example, vitamin C is well known for its role in supporting the immune system and promoting healthy skin by aiding in collagen production. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining good vision and promoting cell growth, while vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. There are 13 essential vitamins, and each plays a distinct role in your body. A deficiency in any one of these vitamins can lead to specific health issues. For instance, a lack of vitamin D can result in weak bones and an increased risk of fractures, a condition known as rickets in children. This makes it crucial to consume a diet rich in a variety of foods to ensure you get all the vitamins your body needs. But wait, there is more. While vitamins often steal the spotlight, minerals are just as important in maintaining your health. These inorganic elements are involved in numerous bodily processes, from building strong bones and teeth to ensuring your heart beats regularly and your muscles contract properly. Calcium and phosphorus, for example, are the primary minerals that make up your bones and teeth. They work together to provide the structure and strength necessary for your skeletal system. Iron is another vital mineral, essential for producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. Without enough iron, you might feel fatigued, weak, and dizzy, symptoms of a condition known as anemia. Magnesium is a mineral involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, including energy production, muscle function, and DNA synthesis. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions, making it crucial for heart health and preventing muscle cramps. Each mineral has a specific role, and a deficiency or imbalance can lead to various health problems, emphasizing the importance of a well-rounded diet. And lastly, water is often overlooked as a nutrient, but it's arguably the most critical one. It makes up about 60% of your body weight and is involved in nearly every bodily function. From regulating your body temperature to flushing out toxins and transporting nutrients to your cells, water is essential for life. Every day, your body loses water through breathing, sweating, and waste elimination, so it's crucial to replenish it by drinking enough fluids and eating water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables. Staying hydrated helps maintain optimal brain function, physical performance, and overall well-being. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and impaired concentration, while severe dehydration can be life-threatening. Water also plays a key role in digestion, helping to break down food and absorb nutrients more efficiently. It acts as a lubricant for your joints, reducing friction and preventing injuries. By maintaining proper hydration, you support the smooth operation of all your bodily systems, keeping everything in balance. In conclusion, the 6 basic nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water, are the cornerstone of your health and well-being. Each nutrient plays a specific and vital role in ensuring your body functions smoothly, from providing energy and building tissues to supporting your immune system and maintaining fluid balance. By understanding the importance of these nutrients and incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you can support your body's needs and promote long-term health. Eating a balanced diet that includes all 6 nutrients is like tuning an orchestra. When each section plays its part well, the result is a harmonious and vibrant symphony, your health. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to nutrition. Listening to your body, eating a diverse array of foods, and staying hydrated are key strategies to ensure you're giving your body what it needs to thrive. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.